This is microbiology incubator manufactured by Vihan Techno Services, and the instrument temperature range is above ambient plus 5 degrees to 105 degrees centigrade. It is having safety thermostat and fan regulator speed adjustable, and it is completely off and on, and speed is adjustable, and it is temperature controller and features having of alarm low and high and door open sensor alarm available, and it is heater indication, and it is mains power supply indication, and it is MCB for to switch on the power. Instrument is capacity is having of 178 liters, and the instrument internal chamber size is 50 centimeters length, 50 centimeters width, 70 centimeters height, and it is provided with a toughened glass door with locks, and it is having 3 trays and height also adjustable for the trays, and it is GMP model, and completely it is inner and outer total SS304, and it is inbuilt with a air circulation fan, and motor is fitted in the back side. This is main temperature controller for the instrument, and the keys it is having of status button and alarm acknowledgement button, up and down keys to set the temperature, page button and enter button. When you press status key, it will show you process status like temperature normal, door close, and heater in terms of percentage. When you open the door, now it is showing as door open, and again when you close the door, it will indicate you as door close, and it is the heater in the percentage status it will show you. If you want to come out from the status, again press the status button. Press page button to set the temperatures. It will ask you the password, and the default password is 0. Press enter, and it is the set value. Whatever the set value you want, you can keep it. Now I will keep you 60 degrees centigrade by using up and down keys. Press the enter button. Low deviation means low alarm. High deviation means high alarm value. So that means plus or minus 2 degrees it will give you the alarm, and if you want to change the password, you can change it by your own value, but default password is 0 only. Press page button to come out the main display. For suppose if you went into the page button, and if you are there in somewhere like setting the temperature, just press page button again, it will come to the main display. If you open the door more than 1 minute, the controller will give you a buzzer. Then you need to press the alarm acknowledgement button to switch off the alarm. Whenever low deviation and high deviation is crossed, then controller will give you a buzzer. At that time also you need to press the alarm acknowledgement button, and it is having safety thermostat. Whenever you are keeping any set value like 60 degrees we have kept, so the safety thermostat it should be plus 10 to 20 degrees above the set value. That means we need to keep 75 to 80, like that we will keep it generally. And it is having a dual convection technology. That means we can use it as with air circulation and without air circulation, and it is in full mode. Now the speed is in full mode, like it is in medium, and it is in off and in on, and again we can speed adjustable. Now it is in medium and it is in high. We will recommend to keep it in high to get the good uniformity. It is heater indication, and the process status you can see at any time. Bigger display is our present value in the chamber,